He's been hot in the first quarter.
Nice hit.
Oh, doon sa contact nila ni Santos. He's holding on to his knee. Isa yan sa mga hinahawakan na talagang nakakatakot. At sana walang mangyaring malala dito kay Alain.
Well, you can see yung nakikita natin sa kanya. He's already telling their PT, the doctor, that may naramdaman siya na on his knees. Sinisenyasan niya.
Well, Coach Timcon is a bit worried. Sana nila, kuryente na lang. Minsan, pagka na ako kuryente, yung pagkaan, masakit na rin yun. Pero ito, titignan po natin kung saan nagtatamaan si Santos. Ayun, tuhod sa tuhod lang nangyari doon.
And you can see after kung nagkabanggaan sila, after that, could not get any lift from that right leg anymore.
And the contact actually was on the left knee. Pero yung pagbagsak niya, no, nung nakuha yung, nung pinabura niya yung kanyang kaliwa. So ito is Alain Maliksi still hobbling. And the rest of his teammates going to his aid. Huwag hindi makatayo ito kay Alain Maliksi is holding on to his left knee. Kind of twisted it because the contact was on the right. Ito, ulitin po natin ha. Ito yung ayun. Pero yung pagbagsak niya doon sa kaliwa.
Yes, actually, you can see that hit his right knee, but also his left knee is the one that actually buckled. You see it very clearly there that nawala sa forma. You can only hope that it is not as bad as it looks.
O, gawin muna natin hope na sana kuryente lang no? Yung nagkakabanggana, pero hindi. Pag na-twist yung kanyang kaliwang tuhod. The stretcher is ready. Nakatayo na ito si Alain.